This is the experiment in microwave lab for measuring the coupling coefficient and directivity of coupler. So directional coupler. So first of all, this is klystron power supply. Then we have klystron tube. Then we have directional. Then we have the attenuator. Then we have the frequency meter. Then we have the slotted section. Then using the tunable probe VSWR meter we will use for measuring the power, and it is terminated using the match terminator, so we can get the reading of the power. Now we will change the match terminator with the coupler so that we can measure the values of different power. So the coupler is like this. Please hold it. This is P1, then we have this is P2, that is P4, and this is P3. So the ratio of P1 upon P4 will be the coupling ratio, and that we will measure that. And for directivity we will measure the forward coupling as well as the reverse coupling. Let's do the setup. This is the setup of microwave lab. One of the experiment, that is the finding the directivity and coupling coefficient, coupling factor for the directional coupler. So the setup is like that. First of all, this is klystron power supply. Then we have the klystron tube. Then we have the isolator. Then we have the variable attenuator. Then we have the frequency meter. Then we have the slotted section. Then using the tunable probe we are measuring the power on VSWR meter. In a previous setup only we measured the power that comes out minus 26 dB, and that comes out minus 26 dB. In previous setup it was terminated with match terminator, with match termination, right? So that power is assumed as a P1 power for this directional coupler, and nomenclature for this directional coupler is P1 port is this, then we have the P2 port, that is P2 port, then we have P3 port, this which is closed in here, then we have P4 port. Now the coupling factor is ratio of P1 upon P3, so ratio is P1 upon P3. Now we will measure the power at the P3 port, so we have measuring using VSWR meter like this setup. This comes out to be over here minus 47, this minus 47. So previously we measured the power at P1, that was minus 26, so the difference between them is around 21 dB. So now we will measure the power at port P2, at port P2. Again we will use the tunable probe over there, and using VSWR meter we will measure the power at port P2. So the power at port P3 will be nothing but the difference of total power P1 minus P3 minus P4. Then directivity will be nothing but the ratio of P1 upon P3. So over here it is closed, so ideally it should be a P1 upon P3, ideally it should be infinity, that we can calculate by getting the value of P3. So this is the setup of the directional coupler, finding the coupling coefficient or coupling factor as well as the directivity. Okay.